Hi, in this video I will show you how to add or view notes for a specific job card. Open any job card, select the job card. Here you will find this activity log. Click on this and here you can view the job card activity log, and here you will have the option to add notes. For example, click here, add note, handle with care, and add notes. So you can also see the activity performed on this job card, and you can see the previous notes mentioned here, and the recently added notes also you can see here. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.